Hello friends, I am Parag Gadia, the founder of MemoryMagic.in, which is totally dedicated to the programs being conducted with respect to the enhancement of the memory. Now, how many of you have already spent thousands and lakhs of rupees on different train the trainer program and still wanting to launch your successful programs? I have found that many of you like attend the lot many programs, and then you try to come up with the content which is more of a sellable thing, and the people wanting to attend your programs. But it's very difficult to come up with such a program, and very few of the people succeed on this front. So I had also gone through the similar phase, and that's the reason I came up with a very unique program which is called as the TTMD, that is Train the Memory Trainer Program. So we directly jump into the action in this program. There is no bushing around here. And I guarantee that at the end of the program, you can launch your memory program from the very next day itself. So people from different states like Punjab and cities like Indore and Kolkata, Mangalore have come up and they've attended the program and started working on it. So you don't have to come here, and it's like you have an opportunity to attend the program from the comfort of your home. Now the beauty of this program is I give you the full content which I used in my memory programs, which I have been conducting since last 8 years successfully. So it has been conducted with students, it has been conducted with the corporates like the Tata Chemicals, Indian Oil, and SunGuard, and lot many of them, which you can see on my website. So I give you the step-by-step content, the guidance, and how to design your programs to suit your different audiences also. The the best part is it's like you don't have to think much about it. Just use my stuff, rebrand it yourself, and start conducting the programs. And you will be able to recover your investment on the very first program itself. So how much does it cost, right? Earlier, I used to charge 25,000, and people have paid with that sort of an amount to attend this program. Now, because I don't have to conduct it at the physical locations. It's online, and depending on the current situation, I want to reach out to more and more people and help them out. So the price which you are going to pay, or the investment which you are going to make, is just rupees 4,999. So if you are interested to knowing more about and enrolling in the program, just click the link below, or you can just touch base with me on WhatsApp and or email me, and I will be glad to answer your queries on that front. So our next batch is starting from the next weekend, and that is on, let me figure out what's the exit date. Yeah, so we are having the next batch on 8th. So this time what we have done is it's a weekend batch, so it will be like morning and evening on Saturday and Sunday, 8th and 9th of August. So hope to see you soon. And if you're looking for something which is ready-made and which you can use it directly and immediately recover your investment, I think so this is the best option at almost the negligible price point. Bye for now, and have a great success in your life, and stay safe.